Hi friends, welcome to my channel Review Kuch Bhi. Today I am going to review a automatic mechanical watch, as you can see, Invicta. I bought this about 1 month ago from Amazon and it's cost around 12k. First, we look at the box. As you can see, this is the box. Here we have the branding. Here we can see the MRP is 30,500 rupees and import month it is imported from USA and import month is June 2023. And inside the box, and this is the box, as you can see, bright yellow color box, and this is the upper side and this is the front size. Here also we can see the branding. Now we open the box and inside it we have a manual and here also a logo, and inside this we have a tag Invicta, and this is the QR code. Now we side the box and focus on our watch. As you can see, this is the watch. This is mechanical automatic watch with, now here we can see the branding Invicta, and you can see the transparent back with the motion NH35A, which is Chico moment, and you can see here and now I use it for 6 months, and after that I would give a long-term review on it.